What we have here is a nice metal cased, so you can hear metal cased USB keyboard from a company called TedGem. Fully backlit. Obviously the lights can be turned off if you don't want them on. You can cycle through different effects and combinations. Full size keyboard, obviously your number pad, so it is aimed as a gaming keyboard. You've even got obviously controls, which are standard keyboard controls, WASD, obviously marked up here, as well as obviously your arrow keys as well, mapped as a copy of your control keys. You can adjust obviously the brightness of the lights by using this one over here, the function, so we can go down to different intensities and up to different up to the brightest, so you can see there. But yeah, nice quality keyboard, good weight to it, nice feel to the buttons. I mean, they're non-click buttons, but a nice depth of travel to them. Very comfortable to type on, and yes, overall kind of cool design. Happy with this. We'll be using it upstairs on my upstairs computer, and yeah, a little buy for the money.